Hello students, today again I will explain the video of class 8 science chapter number 12, that is the friction. Okay, and in today's video I will mainly explain about the disadvantages of friction and how to reduce the force of the friction. Right, before we start explaining the disadvantages and how to reduce the friction, please take out your notebook, pen and pencil to copy down the important portions. Okay, now without wasting the time, now I will start this portion, that is disadvantages of the frictions. Right, disadvantages of the friction. Disadvantages of friction. What are the disadvantages of the friction? We already know that because of the friction, it increases the energy requirement. Right, that is, to overcome the force of the friction, any kinds of the objects or the body, they need extra energy to overcome the friction. Right, this is the one of the advantages. That is, it wastes the extra energy. Right, that is, friction increases the energy requirements to operate the machines. Friction increases the energy requirements to the machine. Right, machine or anybody, that is, it increases the energy requirements of the what? Machines. Right, this energy is wasted in the form of the this energy is wasted in the form of heat. Right, that is, because of the friction, it requires a large amount of the energy to overcome the force of the friction. Right, because of that, what will happen? The energy requirements of the body will be increased, and this energy is wasted, okay, in the form of the heat energy. This is the first portion. Number two, we all know that because of the friction, that is, it causes wears and tears in the machines. Right, and render them inoperable. Okay, friction causes wear and tear. Okay, wear and tear in the machines. In the machines. Then what happens? And render them inoperable. And renders them inoperable. You all know that after totally tearing of the groups of the what? Tires, okay? What will happen? The tire will totally becomes smooth. Then it's not able to, okay? It's not able to operate. Right? Because of this, what? These tearings of the tires and wearings of these tires are all because of this friction. Right? That is why these tearings and wearing part of the machines are not able to operate. Right? That's why we simply throwing out. Yes or no? Yes. This is the because of the friction. The the third most important point is friction reduces the speed of the moving vehicles. Friction reduces the speed of the moving vehicles. Right, to a great extent. What is vehicle? Now look at the last part. There is the bad road. We are not able to drive the vehicle in this what moderate speed, right? Why? Because in this bad road, okay, because of the irregular surface, it produces a large amount of the friction force, right? Because of that, the speed of our vehicle will be reduced, okay? Because of that, it will waste a lot of the energy, right? These are three most disadvantages of the friction. Please copy down. Done. Okay. Next, how to reduce the force of friction. Next. Okay. Next is the methods of reducing friction. Methods of reducing friction. How to reduce this force of the friction? Okay, the number one. The first one is by the use of lubricants. By the use of lubricants. We all know that in the machines, okay, in the machine parts, we are using this mobile oil, yes, or grease. Because of the mobile oil or because of this grease, what will happen? It will reduce the force of the friction, right? Because of that, this machine part can easily move, easily rotate, right? That is the first one. That is by the use of lubricants. Next, by the use of soap solution, okay? That is by using soap solution. By using soap solution. In here, while cutting any kinds of the metallic objects, we use the soap solution, right? Because of the soap solution, the friction produced by the metallic object, okay, it will be reduced. Okay, that's why we use the soap solution while cutting the metallic objects. Okay. Next, number 3, by using the fine powders. By using fine powders. We all know that during this carom, we are using this one for fine powder. Yes or no? They're like talcum powder. Okay, because of this talcum powders, the coins of the carom can easily move on the board. Right. That's why by using this talcum powder, okay, in this carom board, then what will happen? We can easily playing this carom, right? That's why this fine powder helps in the reducing the friction force, okay, of the carom coin and the board, right? Next is by polishing. By polishing, okay? By polishing. You all know that after 1 year or after 6 years, we always repairing our roads, right? Why? Because if you are not repairing that, the irregularity surface will be more, right? If the irregularity surface will be more on our road, then the force of friction will be more, right? Then if we make this always repairing, always polishing our road, then what will happen? Then the force of the friction will be reduced. Okay, that is why if the irregularity surface will be reduced, means the force of the friction will also reduce. That is why we always polishing our roads or any other surface. Okay. Next, number 5, by streamlining. By streamlining, okay. Streamlining means by making this streamlined shape. That is, for example, any object we wanted to make, okay, that is for flew in the air, we need to make as a streamlined, okay, shape. And for we are wanting to make board, then we used to make in the form of the streamlined shape. Okay, that is by streamlining. These are some of the importance. Okay. Next means by converting the sliding friction into rolling friction. Rolling. By converting the sliding friction into sliding friction into rolling. Rolling means by putting the wheels. Okay, rolling friction. We all know that we use this what wheel on our briefcase or luggages, right? Because this wheel have in this what carrying our luggages very easy, right? That's why we use this. We converting the in place of the sliding, we use this what wheels or the roller, right? Because of that, it will reduce the force of the friction. These are some of the important methods of the reducing friction. Okay, please copy down this part. Okay. Students, this is the most important parts. Okay, this is most important parts of this chapter, that is the frictions. Okay, this is disadvantage. Last one is the disadvantages. This is for how to reducing our frictions. Okay, and please copy down whatever I am giving in here. Okay, if you have any doubt or any confusion, let me know. Okay, please send one message to the WhatsApp group. I will clear your doubt. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.